welcome back to my channel. My name is Daria, and if you're new here, I post crochet tutorials and plan to share vlogs about my crochet process on this channel. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. And today I'm gonna teach you how to make these beautiful hard granny squares. It is such a fun and easy project, and the best thing that you can use them to make anything from blankets and pillows to clothes, shoppers, bags, and you can use different type of yarn, different size of yarn, and totally customize it how you want. And I'll guide you through each step, so grab your materials and let's get started. Materials. For this granny square, you will need two types of yarn. I'm using one soft brown yarn and one cotton yarn. Both are medium size, and I'll be using a 3mm crochet hook. You can choose any yarn you like, just make sure the hook size matches the yarn. Squeezers and yarn needle. To make the same granny square as mine, first crochet one heart. Add a row around the heart to shape it into a square, then add 2 rows in a different color, and then alternate colors as I've done, or customize it however you like. Heart. To make a heart, start with a magic ring. There are many ways to make a magic ring, but I prefer an overhand knot. It's easier for me. Chain 3 into the magic ring. Count these 3 chains as your first double crochet. Next, make 1 double crochet in the magic ring. Then chain 2, then 2 free double crochets in the magic ring. Repeat. Chain 2, make 3 double crochet, repeat, chain 2, make 3 double crochet, finally, chain 2 and make 1 last double crochet. Now pull the tail of the magic ring to tighten the loop and slip stitch into the 3rd chain of your starting chain. Congratulations, you've made the base of a heart. Next, we are gonna shape the heart. Chain 3. That counts as your first double crochet. In the same space, make 7 more double crochets, 8 in total. Then slip stitch into the gap between the next group of 3 double crochets in the gap like I show in the video. In the middle stitch of the next group, make 8 double crochets. In the middle, it means like in the 2nd double crochet, like here. Single crochet in the next gap. Make 3 single crochets in the next group of 3 double crochets. And in the next gap, do 2 single crochets, chain 1, and then 2 more single crochets. Continue. Make 3 single crochets in the next group of 3 double crochets. For the final step, pull the yarn through the gap and slip stitch into the top of the third chain of your starting chain. Chain 1, cut the yarn, and you're done. Your heart is ready. Next, we are gonna do square shaping row. This part can be really tricky, especially if you're using a fluffy yarn like mine, as it can be harder to see the stitches. Take your time, it might feel challenging at first, but practice will make it easier. First, locate the bottom of the heart where you made the pattern, 2 single crochet, chain 1, 2 single crochet. Insert your hook into the chain 1 space and pull the yarn through. Chain 1. Next, you are gonna work in the back loop only for the following stitches. Single crochet in the next stitch, then half double crochet in the next stitch, and then double crochet in the next stitch. After that, make a triple crochet. And chain 2 to form a corner. Continue the pattern, double crochet in the next stitch, then half double crochet. After that, make 4 single crochets, then chain 2 for the next corner, and again make 4 single crochets. In the middle of the heart, magic ring, make 1 half double crochet. It will help to make heart shape. Make 4 single crochets again, then chain 2 for the corner, and then again 4 single crochets. Basically, we do the same thing as we did on the other side of heart. Next, follow the pattern, half double crochet, chain 2 for the corner, triple crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. Slip stitch into the chain 1 space where you started. Great job, the hardest part is done. Next, we are gonna form the granny square row. Slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet, and make 2 more double crochets in this same stitch. In the corner, chain 2 space, make 3 double crochets, then chain 2 and make another 3 double crochet. We will do this for the every corner. It's like granny square pattern. Then skip 1 stitch and make 3 double crochet in the next stitch, like I showed in the video. And do this again, skip 1 stitch and make 3 double crochets in the next stitch after that 1 stitch. And then you come to the corner and again make a corner pattern. It means you should do 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets. For this side, you're gonna skip 2 stitches and make 3 double crochets in the next stitch. And do this again, like skip 2 stitches and make 3 double crochets. And do the pattern for the corner as we did earlier. And for this side of square, we do the same as we did for the opposite side. Skip 1 stitch and make 3 double crochets in the next stitch and do this again. And then again do the same pattern for the corner. And now skip 2 chains, 3 double crochet in that space. And slip stitch into the 3rd chain of your starting chain. Next, follow a granny square pattern. Do basically the same as we did before, but it will be easier since you should work in the gaps. Start by chaining 3, which counts as your first double crochet, then make 2 more double crochet for a total of 3 double crochets. In the next gap work 3 double crochets again, then you reach a corner, follow the corner pattern, 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 more double crochets. Continue working 3 double crochets in each gap and repeat the corner pattern at every corner, of course. Repeat this process as many rows as you'd like, following the granny square pattern. And if you want to change the color, finish your row, slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. And then take the new color and attach it as if you're already working with it. Start the granny square pattern while hiding the loose yarn tails as you crochet to secure them. Once you've completed the desired number of rows and colors, slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Weave in all loose ends using a yarn needle. Go through all stitches as I demonstrate in the video. Your granny square is ready! There are so many possibilities for using these granny squares. You can make clothing like cardigans, tops or pants, or you can create blankets, pillowcases, tote bags and more. In the description, I will include a link to a great tutorial for connecting granny squares, which I used for my blanket project. Since I'm still a beginner at connecting squares, I won't include a tutorial for that part. And yes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have some questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, share this with your friends, and write me some comments because your comments motivates me to make more videos. Bye bye, happy crocheting, see you soon.